Watch me.
I'm taking a video.
I know. Go Keisha! Go Keisha! Hi people. Hi. Mushina, there are no snakes?
No one knows.
God. It's huge. Wow. Can you guys see where we're walking?
So careful.
The floor is like...
Ooh.
So here we are. Here we are. A great tree.
We made it! We made it to the bamboo! We made it to the bamboo. We made it to the bamboo. Isn't God great? Isn't God an awesome creator? Azim,
It's the back of a bamboo.
can you make art with these things? Can you carry them? Because me, I'm thinking about putting something on my wall that looks like that. Count myself blessed because I get to be in such areas, in such environments that my father saw fit to create so that I, Mkakisha, could come and explore. Can I?
Is this the size of the orange?
This is so nice.
So he's trying to find his footing so we can take his picture inside the bamboo. Come out, come out. Wait, let's capture the reflex. So guys, if you can hear, what you can hear right now is the sound of a waterfall.
Ants. Don't stand in the back.
Okay, so now we're going down a skippity slope. Wow. Wow, it's so glorious. That waterfall is so beautiful. Meeting with nature because clearly you can't hear me now. Just look at this.